9:11 in the morning. Luto tayo ng rice. We're going to see Aunt today. We are not done with our paperwork, guys. Di siya ganun ka same sa nakita ko sa YouTube, but hopefully it tastes good. Good morning, guys. Today is July 10, Wednesday, here in Texas. 7:56 in the morning. So, my appointment si Bill ngayon like 9 in the morning sa kanya physical therapist. And then, mamaya pagbalik niya from that appointment, we will be heading to, saan ba yung nakatira yung aunt niya? I'm going to meet his aunt today. Aunt Luan. Nakalimutan ko yung place, pero yeah, we will be driving to his aunt place today. And first time ko mamimit yung aunt niya. See, I told you guys, malalayo nga yung mga relatives eh. That's why hindi basta-basta like meet every week, ganun. So, yeah. Sa mga, yeah, like, cousins and aunts and uncles, I will be meeting them first time, I'm sure. But this time, yeah, I will be meeting his aunt for the first time. Gawa tayo ng coffee. Ay, katulad akong tiil. Coffee. Pati ng bagta ko. Katulgon pa ko. I'm still sleepy. I was editing a video last night. Hindi ko siya natapos because naantok talaga ako. Sobrang sleepy ko talaga kagabi. Like, sobra. So, pagod na. Sobrang pagod ko kagabi. What tayo ng coffee, guys. Our morning routine, as always. Coffee. Kasi alis si Bel today. Papuntang doctor. Physical therapist. So, nagdi-daily vlog na ba tayo? Hindi naman daily vlog yung ginagawa ko, guys. Just like, pag may mga special event in our lives. Sure. Yes, napuno na yung coffee ko. Gumawa ako ng video sa aking Facebook and then it was a funny video kasi yung coffee ko paubos na. But I still have more coffee now. We still have more coffee. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm going to go. Coffee is life. Actually, I get used to this coffee now. When I was still in the Philippines, what I really love there, I used to drink 3-in-1 coffee, which is Nescafe, of course. Nescafe 3-in-1, but it's so hard to find it here. Even if I went to the Asian store close by, guys, the only available coffee they have there is Kopiko. Wala sila ng Nescafe 3-in-1. So, I know, sounds crazy because Nescafe lang talaga ako mas prefer when I was still in the Philippines. But you know what? As time goes by, that I'm drinking same coffee with Belle, I get used to it. And it tastes good now. So, ang combination na ginagawa ko is like coffee and milk. Meron kaming bottle of milk na binili and then sugar. It's a beautiful morning today. As you can see, very sunny outside. Hindi pa pala ako nakapaglinis sa labas. I haven't picked up branches outside. May mga branches na nalipad nung nagbagyo. Like the tropical storm. Ayan, oh. We supposed to put this door back sa cabinet yesterday. But then, nagkamali kami ng nabili na hinges. Like, the hinges that we buy in Lowe's is actually the wrong one. So, Bill said to me last night that we have to send it back to Lowe's and we will get another hinges. Mali yung hinges, guys. Kasi, binuksan niya yung hinges. Ito. This one. Yesterday. Ano siya, like matigas yung clamp niya. I don't know how to explain, pero matigas siya, guys. And sabi niya, it's not really recommendable to use. Especially na may mga bata and then baka masira yung ating door every open. Kasi nagko-close siya ng matigas. Hindi ko alam, yung mabilis na close, tas matigas ang kanyang pag-close ba. Sabi niya, palitan natin yan. So, yan. Mag-change kami ng hinges. Marami to. Ilan ba itong binili namin? The best thing about here, kasi like, it's very easy to return items, guys. Hindi pareha sa Pilipinas. Like, you're only given 7 days. Paglampas na, hindi mo na pwede ibalik. Pero dito, pwede. Nag-start na maglagay ng mga frames dyan. Binalik na niya yung mga frames niya. Last time, guys, itong pagdating ko dito, yung mga picture na yan, dito yan na side, diba? And then yung TV andoon. So, we change it. Like, opposite side. Diyan na yung, mirror. Tsaka mga picture ni Belle sa kanyang karate thing. Mga things niya about karate. So, yan na yung space niya. Yung space naman dito, it's mine. Makamine. Makamay naman. Yung TV natin, I know, this is not completely clean pa this moment. We're still working. So, I hope you guys understand. Magluluto tayo ng rice, guys. 9:11 in the morning. And luto tayo ng rice kasi kakain tayo ng rice before we leave. Well, the kids. Then magluluto ako ng chicken. Nakalis na pala si Belle. Like, yung appointment niya kasi around 9 in the morning. So, malis na siya. He will be back after 1 hour and 30 minutes. Hala, paubos na yung rice ko, guys. Wala na ko yung rice. Kailangan natin bumili ng rice ulit. Yeah. If you are wondering, guys, yung tubig na ginamit namin, yes. Meron po siyang filter. Ito, filter ito. Uy. Grabe yung nila dito ba? Yung grasses nila, ang bilis tumubo. Kakamaw lang ni Belle nung nakaraang last week. Kakamaw lang kakamaw lang niya ng mga grasses last week. And now, sprout na naman sila. So parang, yun yung sinasabi niya sa akin na like, ang bilis tumubo ng grasses kaya lagi siyang nagmumo. Every time we had a video call nung nasa Philippines pa ako, ba't nagmumo ka na naman? Kasi pala, ganun pala. Dito, ang bilis tumubo ng grass. Luto tayo ng chicken. Wala kaming crispy fry. Oh my gosh, baka naman may magpapadala ng crispy fry from the Philippines. Here's my PO box number. Pumunta kami sa Asian store. That was 2 weeks ago, I think. Yeah. 2 weeks ago. So why crispy fry dito, guys? I haven't seen crispy fry, or maybe there's similar to that, but it was a different name. Siguro, I don't know. Pero wala talaga akong nakitang crispy fry. Sorry, Jenny. So magpe-fry ako ng chicken without crispy fry. O, diba? We'll get used to this. Kasi wala tayong magawa. Wala tayong crispy fry eh. I'm just so glad because ayaw sana ni Belle na bumili ako ng oil ba? Like this. Kasi sabi niya sa akin, it's not really healthy for you guys. You should not use the oil, blah, blah, blah. Agoy. Yung mga bata nagre-reklamo kasi yung binibake, hindi nila they're not used to a food that was baked. Yung mga meat na bake ba, iba yung lasa kasi. Kasi mas prefer nila yung, like, for example, a chicken, ayaw nila nang binibake. Mas prefer nila yung fry kasi yung crisp. Iba pa rin siya, guys. Kahit, basta, lahi, jud, uy, ambot. Anyway, more explanations. More explanations. But eventually, one of these days, we will get used to this, guys. For now, we are still on that pace na, yeah, we will let go of frying thing. But as of the moment, kailangan muna namin siya. Okay? But we will get used to it. Asa na ba yung used oil na ginamit ko? Nakaraan. When I say used oil, kasi once ko lang yung nagamit. And ayoko siyang itapon kasi sayang yung oil. Hindi naman siya brand. Once ko lang ito nagamit nung nag-fry din ako ng chicken nung nakaraan. So, gagamitin natin siya ulit. Yan, oh. Yellow na yellow pa yan, guys. Pangimasa na mo or maligo. Because we're going to see Aunt today. Paperworks. We are not done with our paperworks, guys. Ay, nako. Dami po namin ginagawa yesterday. Paperworks. We stayed at home. Balik ba kami? Malis kami kahapon. BJJ kahapon. We went to BJJ. Kahapon ba yun? Yeah. Yesterday. We went to BJJ yesterday. Kasi nga, nag-BJJ suppose kami nung Friday? Saturday. Kailan ba yung may tropical storm? Wala pala sila. Di sila bukas. Nag-BJJ kami kahapon. So, after that, when we got home, ito yung ginawa ni Belle. Yung adjustment status natin. It's very, 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 stressful. So, parang balik na naman ulit kami sa process ng paper, like, filling out this form. May mga ibang mga questions here na it's not applicable to me. And sabi niya, parang hindi naman to pang K1 na but what can we do, diba? We need to answer and fill out the form para makapag-adjust na tayo ng status before mag-expire yung visa. Kasi yung visa ko, guys, mag-expire siya. Visa namin ng kids by August katapusan, like mga 30th of August, yan, mag-expire visa. So before that, we need to really send or file adjustment status na para matapos na to, guys. Akala ko pa naman mabilis. Akala ko pa naman after wedding, settle down, everything is good. Wala na kaming iisipin pa. But then, here it comes, the adjustment thing. So, ito yung sinet down namin kahapon. Ito yung ginawa namin kahapon. Nag-sit down talaga. Si Belle, mostly. Siya talaga yung nag-work ng paper na ito. Ako lang, tinatanong lang niya ako kung ano yung mga question ba, tinatanong niya ako. But anyway, it's already, merong isa pang things dito na hindi ko alam bakit ayaw mag-enter ng computer. So, meron naman instruction na pwede lang naman siya paglagyan ng paint naman. Pwede lang siya isulat ng handwriting, basta ang gagamitin is black pen. So, it's okay. Ilalagay ko lang siya dito. Yeah, para lahat ng documents isang lang. Okay. Lahat to i-sit aside kasi mabilis lang naman siguro kami. We're not gonna stay a day there at Aunt Luan. Then pagbalik namin, face the reality na naman tayo sa paperworks. Where are we going?
We're going to meet my aunt.
Yeah, to meet your aunt, but where?
In Navasota.
Navasota. Yun yung nahirapan ako kanina sabihin kasi hindi ko ma-remember. Navasota. It's freaking hot. Nakaayaw ko talaga yung rush. Ito kasi gusto pag time go. Sanay ako sa Pinas na like, sanay tayo sa Pinas na not on time, guys.
I started getting ready after you and I was ready
a
half hour sooner.
Ayun ako gulita, babe. Na-stress ba ako, babe? Na-stress ko because I'm not sure if I am done. Like, I'm tying my hair. I really don't know what's going on with my hair at the back, but whatever. Dali-dali ko niya.
I don't think my aunt will be too worried about your hair.
She cannot see it.
She sees fine. That's not the point.
Sa mukha lagi inita man ani babe. It's very hot. Aircon. There's swimming pool. Daddy and I saw a swimming pool, a public swimming pool. But you have to pay. Public, but you have to pay.
Yeah.
Somewhere, nakalimutan ko yun.
If you're a resident, you pay less. Going through the out.
Muang ni siya eh. We are here. Well, somewhere here. Martha Bloomers.
Martha's Bloomers restaurant.
Oh, this is restaurant?
It's a restaurant. It's like a garden store.
Wait, we're meeting her in a restaurant?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it's...
I told you.
Oh, I thought we're going to her house.
No.
Ah, I see.
I just gotta find a parking spot.
I thought we're gonna meet her
I've never been there. So.
on her house. But yeah, it's a restaurant pala.
No,
guys.
I told you. She lives in Pinehurst down near Houston.
Oh, okay. Kaya nga na siya ako kanina kinausap ko siya like, hala, wala silang ilaw kasi daw naapektuhan sila ng tropical storm.
We're 4 minutes late.
4 minutes late. Because, never mind. O, diba akong buhok? Wag yan akong buhok. Inita eh. Very hot. Ano to? What is this? Huh? You okay? You never been here, babe? Hindi ko alam kung gusto niya magpa-film. Uy, uy! No, 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 no! Look, babe, oh! Babe, parking for Stewart. You saw that one? Parking. Oy, oy, no, no, no. Yeah, dog. Are we like... Sunod lang kami kay daddy, oh. Restaurant daw to. Wala nga talaga silang ilaw, guys. May narinig akong ano, generator. Or generator ba yun? Hala, ano to? Limon? Limon. Itag limon. Banga, oh. Entrance here. Entrance. Banga dyan, oh. May banga. May gold sa banga. Martha's Bloomer. Andyan pala yung aunt ni Belle. Hindi ako nag-film kasi nahihiya ako, baka ayaw nila, diba? So, just letting them talk. Ay, tignan niyo yung piglet. Binibenta nga, may price of $46.95. At itong baboy na to, binibenta ba to? Tsaka chicken. Cute. Look at this. This one, oh, tingnan mo. Uy, naunsa naman niya akong camera. Uy, kim kalitra, maghiwi ng liog ni akong camera. Look at this. $5, $6 dog. Tingnan niyo si dog. Nging. Tsaka yung plants, maganda. Pang indoor. Ano yan, chicks? A bird. Nice. Nice here. Oh. I think these are for sale too. This one. $20. Maganda yan pang indoor, guys. Yung lalaki ba? Hey, 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 hey. Ashley, you just have to look. Just look. Careful ha, you just have to look. Teacup dyan. Teacup. Maganda dito, guys. Ano ba to? Mga brand new? Famous? Cows. Ganda. What? My favorite spot. Garden. Hello, ika nice diri ah. Super nice. Hala, babe. Oh, this one. Maganda siya. Pretty. Dog. White dog.
I got the 30 each.
Yeah, that way.
Look at my handsome driver picking me up. Picking me
Hey,
up.
baby.
Hey, baby. Come here. You don't wanna go home? Halina lang. Come here, guys. Hey, baby. The aircon is on, baby. Ah, it's closed. Stop over at Academy Sports Outdoor. Bibili daw siya ng roller. Roller pang ano, guys. Pang roller sa likod. Grabe, merong kayak dito ah. Bibenta ng kayak ba? Hala, inita dyan. Uy. Come here. Come here, oh. Bikes. Pero, ay, hungaw akong camera ay. Maraming bike dito oh. Mountain bike, Nicole. How much is this? Wow, $500. 329. Ang mahal. Hanap ko si Daddy. Nawa na si Daddy. You already have 2 at the house.
Well, I'm looking for a smooth one.
Ah, okay. Ano yan?
Okay, stand up.
Pang firsting mo na, babe.
What?
Pang firsting mo na.
No?
Stop over at Chase. Deposit lang si Belle ng money, guys. And then we will stop over to post office also because he said nandito na kami, so why not stop over at the post office. That was fast.
Just making a deposit.
Pag-gas na rin kami, guys, kasi yung gas niya hindi pa naman ubos. Magkano ba yung gas? I think they have the gas here in the USA, it's cheaper than gas in the Philippines. Gasoline in the Philippines. Kasi hindi sila by liter dito, guys, sa by gallon yung tinitinda. By gallon yung purchase nila ng gas dito, and I think he said to me like mga 2 point magkano ba nakalagay dyan? Hindi ko na makita. Pero like mga 2 something dollar per gallon. But I'm gonna ask Bill. Maybe mga 3 na siya ngayon.
Yeah.
Sure. Sitting handsome, just waiting. What is that? Oh, so that's like 8 gallon. Now it's 9. So it's like $2.99 per gallon, guys. We are home and nagutom. Gustong mag French fries. No, bake. I am baking a French fries in the oven right now. Then may nakita akong video sa YouTube, yung fries loaded, yung nilagyan ng cheese sa top. So if follow ko siya, guys, hopefully I can. I'm cutting this bacon here, and then yung ginamit natin is red onion kasi wala akong white, and then wala akong sausage. So ito lang yung gagamitin natin. Damihan lang natin ng bacon. Tapos na yung ating French fries. Hindi ako sure talaga kung masarap. But yeah, here it is. Di siya ganun ka same sa nakita ko sa YouTube, but hopefully it tastes good. First time kong gumawa ng ganito, so I'm not really sure. Di ako sure. Nicole! Tsaka bake. You know, parang pizza. Meron pa akong sauce na iwan doon. Di ako sure. Let's see. Tay, makaon ka, dili. Uy, patay na tag. Nilagyan ko kasi ito ng ano, guys. Cheddar, tsaka yung, ano yung isa na ano, cheese? Na pang ano ba, pizza. Uy, masarap ah. It's good. Lami siya. Napakoy sauce diyan itong nabili. Wala lang kuya mo yung ano, sausage, but masarap. Lami na. Hindi siya perfect, pero hindi kami nakapunta ng Lowe's kasi matagal na, tapos si Belle mag-fix na tumagas na nagleak ba na tubig sa kabilang side. So hindi kami nakapunta ng Lowe's today. Tomorrow meron kaming dentist appointment. Si Nicole may dentist appointment tomorrow, so maaga yun. We have to be awake around 6, so kailangan andun kami before 8 kasi 8 yung appointment. Ay, ano bang ginagawa? Yeah, I meet Belle's aunt today. It was so nice to meet one of the families, although malayo pala siya, guys. Akala ko kasi, I was expecting na i-meet or pupuntahan namin siya sa bahay niya mismo, but then hindi nga ako nakikinig kay Bill kanina nung nag-explain siya kaninang morning. So yeah, we met in the cafe in Navasota. Tama ba? Navasota. Yeah. Yung pangalan ng cafe is Cafe Bloomer. Meron naman yun sa vlog, guys. And then, yeah, we just, like, stay there for a while. Siguro mga more than 1 hour. And then, kasama yung Aunt Linda, na hindi niya tatawaging aunt kasi younger than him. Although, yung aunt na yon is like, asawa ng kanyang uncle. Belle supposed to say aunt. Kaso lang, sabi niya, mas younger. So, hindi niya tinatawag na aunt. So, tinatawag niya lang na Linda. But yeah, I meet 2 people today. And then, they're good people. They're really good people. They're asking me questions. What are yung favorite ko na food here. When I'm here in the USA na yung mga ganun. Mga basic na ano lang, usapan. But they are, more sila nag-usap ni Belle. Catching up. Kasi matagal din silang hindi nagkita eh. So, catch up lang yung mga ganon. And then, yun lang yung ginagawa namin today. And then, nagpunta kaming AT&T. And then, I think that's all it. No more. But then, yeah, tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is something na naman. Like, if you guys are wondering why we need to see a dentist for Nicole, kasi I was very shocked like 3 weeks ago, hindi ko siya minention. That's because I was like a little bit, meron bang ganun na case? So, nagkaroon ng imbalance or nagkaroon si Nicole ng, how do I call this one? May tumubo na teeth sa kanyang, soft palate ba tawag niyan? Yan yung nakita ko sa Google eh. So, soft palate. Yung sa ngala-ngala ba, guys? May tumubo na isang ngipin. So, alam na ng mama ko to, by the way. And, you know, my mom, she's like, paranoid. So, pati yung kapatid ko sabi, pa-check up nyo yan, pa-check up. So, that's when Belle went to his dental appointment last Monday. Yun, nagpa-book siya ng appointment sa dentist for Nicole. So, yan yung pupuntahan namin tomorrow. I know it's like kind of complicated. Like, I was even shocked. Kasi meron palang ganun na case. May tumubo ng ngipin, guys. Hindi siya sa, like, di ba kasi kung yung normal, like, sa side mismo kung saan yung may old ngipin. Yung sa kanya, sa ngala-ngala talaga, guys. And I'm a little bit concerned. Kasi it's super, super rare cases. Meron pang mas worse na case, by the way. Kasi nag-research talaga ako. Like, maraming ngipin ang tumubo sa ngala-ngala. Nicole had 1. And it says something imbalance, yung mga ganun. So, I feel weird. Like, I mean, like, bakit siya? I mean, like, I asked question, like, in our family naman, sa side sa family namin, walang ganun. So, hindi ko alam. But anyway, guys, thank God, kasi yung asawa ko, he's really, like, wanted to make sure na hindi ako mag-worry. That's why he really makes sure na magpa-book kami ng appointment sa dentist. So, we will be going there early tomorrow. So, I'm gonna end this video kasi sobrang haba na nito, I'm sure. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Even if sometimes I'm sure like yung video natin para lang, wala lang, kuan lang, anything lang. Parang ang bored na minsan tingnan ng video, but then thank you so much for the love and support na I am getting from everybody who's still following kahit may nagre-reklamong na mag-English ka. Pag nag-English naman ako, mag-Tagalog ka. So, salamat po. I'll see you tomorrow. I hope we can vlog. We can vlog. Maybe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!